Apple iPhone 30 series might not be coming with a 1 TB models, and it is also going to be keeping the similar prices for their next generation of devices as they have currently. Also, we don't have any LiDAR support for the base models. Hey, what's up guys, we are back again with some latest news. So the iPhone 13 series is set to be launching on the month of September, and there are many leaks and rumors regarding that particular device. The iPhone 13 series is set to introduce several big upgrades, including the Touch ID, a small notch, and improved cameras. And the rumor also pointed out that we have a 1 TB model too. But the latest report coming from the Trend Forces has indicated that we might not see the 1 TB variant for the upcoming iPhone 13 Pro models. This means that we will have the same storage configuration as the current iPhone 12 lineups, which is going to be 512 gigs of internal storage for both the Pro models. Also, the report indicates that the upcoming iPhone 13 series might not be coming with a similar name of iPhone 13. Instead of that, there are chances that we might see the naming for the upcoming iPhone 13 series to be iPhone 12s. Anyhow, moving forwards, the component shortages have driven prices up, but according to the analyst, Apple will maintain the pricing of the current generation starting at $700 for the iPhone 13 mini, and also the iPhone 12 Pro Max will be coming with a $1,100 offer price tag. Apple is also upgrading some components this year, and for one, the iPhone 13 Pro will be coming with an AMOLED panel with 120Hz of refresh rate at LTPO panel, and this is going to be an absolutely great option which Apple is going to be implemented. We already know that whenever Apple is implementing something in their devices, it's going to be the best of the best. So we hope that 120Hz of refresh rate will not drain much of a battery, and it will provide us a good experience. Also, we have the notch, which is going to be even smaller than the current generation of iPhone 13 series, which means that Apple has slimmed down the housing of Face ID components, which is going to be great. But anyhow, I was expecting that Apple might introduce the punch hole camera cutout for this year, but as the leaks are pointing out right now, we have a small notch, so we have to live with that. In the same report, we have another leak which is coming out, which indicate that the optical image stabilization, which is traditionally available in all the iPhones, has been replaced to a sensor shift stabilization. Also, the ultra wide camera module will be featuring more advanced 6P lens with autofocus, which will provide even great images and videos. The report also indicates that the LiDAR scanner might not be coming in the iPhone 13 mini and 13 devices, whereas the two Pro models will be coming with the LiDAR support. Unfortunately, there is a bad report for the iPhone 12 mini. Its production has been stopped just because the fact that there was no meeting of sale targets for the iPhone 12 mini. Most of the people didn't buy that particular device, and Apple has to stop its production. So guys, everything listed above is of course a prediction at this point. Take these leaks as a pinch of salt because it's almost impossible to accurately predict every aspect of Apple. Nevertheless, the Trend Forces has accurate prediction iPhone plans in the past, and the report could give us a good idea of what to expect in. So guys, I'm pretty much excited about the iPhone 13 series. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What are your opinion about that? Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel if you're new here. Peace.